Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenido o bienvenida a la lección de hoy. Hoy vamos a estar hablando acerca de 25 frases en español que son muy importantes. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be taking a look at 25 of the most essential Spanish phrases. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1, hola, hello. Okay, now this can mean hey, hello, hi. It all means the same. Hola, hey, hi, hello. Adiós, goodbye, bye. Adiós, goodbye. Gracias, thank you, thanks. Okay, now, thank you, thanks, it all means the same. Gracias, okay? De nada, you're welcome. Literally translating to of nothing, okay? De nada, you're welcome. Por favor, please. I was about to say for favor, but that's what this literally translates to. For favor, meaning please. Por favor. Por favor. Remember that the V's in Spanish sound like B's in English, okay? A little bit softer, okay? But remember that. So it's not por favor, it's por favor, okay? That kind of soft B sound. Sí, yes. No, no. No, okay? Sí, no. Okay? Mucho gusto. This literally translates to much pleasure, but it means nice to meet you. Okay? Mucho gusto. Now, you could also say something like encantado. You could say encantado de conocerte, encantado, es un placer, things like that. But the most often common one you'll hear is mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Igual. Okay? Now, igual means likewise, same, right? And then igualmente. Okay? They both mean the same thing. Igual, igualmente. Honestly, if someone says to me, hey, mucho gusto, I'll just say igual or igualmente. Okay? Either one is fine. Okay? Igual, igualmente. Alright? Next, let's see if we can see these, okay? Next you have perdón, meaning excuse me. Perdón, blah, blah, blah. Excuse me, ¿qué hora es? Hey, excuse me, what time is it? ¿Qué hora es? Hora meaning hour, but in this case meaning time, okay? So, la hora is the hour, okay? So when I say ¿qué hora es? I'm asking, hey, what time is it? ¿Dónde está blank? ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Dónde está el restaurante? Where is the bathroom? Where is the restroom? Okay, really good phrase to know. And a lot of these phrases are kind of like the important survival phrases. So if you ever catch yourself in a situation where you need to speak Spanish, you can use these and you should be able to survive just fine. Okay? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Okay? This is a good one because you could, if you go down to Mexico, you could maybe barter with people, or if you're at like a different kind of market or something like that. Okay, so ¿cuánto cuesta? Hey, ¿cuánto cuesta eso? How much does that cost? Okay? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much does this cost? Okay? ¿Cómo? This means what? Now, ¿cómo can mean how, it can mean like, it can mean as, okay? Once again, sometimes Spanish can be confusing because words like this, ¿cómo, can change based off of context clues. But if you say something to me and I don't understand what you're saying, I can just say, ¿cómo? Huh? Right? ¿Cómo? Now, you may have heard or said yourself, ¿qué? Well, ¿qué is a little bit less formal, if you will. So, if my friend says something to me and I don't understand, I can say that, ¿qué? But if I'm speaking to someone like a boss or someone I don't know that well, it's better to say ¿cómo? Hey, blah, blah, blah. ¿Cómo? Lo siento. ¿Puede repetirlo, por favor? ¿Cómo? Okay, what? All right. ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay, what is your name? This literally translates to how do you call yourself? What do you call yourself, basically? What is your name? Okay, ¿cómo te llamas? Oh, yo me llamo Nate. Okay, ¿cómo te llamas? Yo me llamo Nate. All right. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Okay, of where are you is what that literally translates to. But this means, hey, where are you from? Hola, mucho gusto. ¿De dónde eres? Yo soy de California. Okay? ¿De dónde eres? Now, if we're speaking to a stranger, we would say, ¿de dónde es? Meaning, where are you from, but formally, okay, which is coming from the usted person. If you're not familiar with usted, you can take a look. I have a video on this channel explaining it, and you could also check out my website, SpanishWithNate.com, where I have a video explaining the difference between usted and tú, okay? Más despacio, slower, more slow. Someone speaking to you really fast, you say, perdón, más despacio, por favor. Más despacio. No entiendo. Más despacio, por favor. Okay? Please, slower. Más despacio, slower. Okay? Excellent. Let's come over here. Okay, make sure I'm aligned well. Okay, lo siento. I'm sorry. Lo siento. I'm sorry. Literally translating to I feel it. I feel it. Right? So if someone asks you, hey, do you feel that? Do you feel that earthquake? Sí, lo siento. Yeah, I feel it. Okay? But lo siento more often than not is going to mean I'm sorry. Lo siento mucho. I'm very sorry. Okay? ¿Puede repetirlo, por favor? ¿Puede repetirlo? No entendí. Could you repeat it? Please, ¿puede repetirlo, por favor? No entendí. Okay? Puede repetirlo. Okay? You didn't understand something? You say, hey, lo siento. No entiendo. I don't understand. ¿Puede repetirlo, por favor? Hey, sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again, please? Thank you. ¿Puede repetirlo, por favor? Okay? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? What is that? ¿Qué es eso? Eso means that. Esto means this. Now, we have different kinds of thises and that's in Spanish, okay? But for now, just know that eso means that and esto means this, okay? ¿Qué es eso? There's kind of a funny little saying where it's, ¿qué es eso? Es queso. ¿Qué queso es? Like it's basically a lot of these words like Q-U-E, but they're all kind of like mixed and jumbled. So, hey, ¿qué es eso? What is that? Es queso. It's cheese. ¿Qué queso es? What cheese is it? So it sounds kind of funny. ¿Qué es eso? Es queso. ¿Qué queso es? ¿Hablas inglés? Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés? That's a good one to know, right? If you're in a pickle, you're like, oh my gosh, I can't understand. Más despacio isn't working. They're repeating it. I don't understand. All right. ¿Hablas inglés? Porque no te entiendo. You speak English? Because I do not understand you. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Okay, it's not buenas días. It's buenos días because día in Spanish is masculine, even though it ends with an A. Okay, that's just how it is. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Good night. Adiós. Buenas noches. Goodbye. Good night. And finally, hasta luego. See you later. Hasta luego. Okay? Literally meaning until later. Hasta meaning until. Luego meaning later. Bueno, muchas gracias por ver esta lección. Te lo agradezco mucho. Hey, thanks so much for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and also subscribe. And if you'd like even more Spanish learning content with me, you can go to my website, SpanishWithNate.com, where I have a free 7-day Spanish course that you can check out. Bueno, que tengas muy buen día y nos vemos muy pronto. Hasta luego.